What's up, y'all? It's your boy, the Burly Bartender. So we're gonna make some drinks here today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can get alerts on updated videos. All right, here we go. We're gonna do a passion fruit margarita Blanco. Triple sec. Lime juice. Some passion fruit puree. A little bit of splash sour. A splash of like garnish with a fresh lime. Taste it. Oh yeah. Jerk wings. Fire.